Next is a conversation with His Divine Grace, A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada, recorded on August 15th, 1976, in Bombay, India.
Sarashala says, Vairagya Apriti Krishna Itarvastu.
Yes. Bhakti Pradhana Bhava Virakti Annatu. There is Vairagya. Unless he has attained this stage Virakti, there is Bhakti. Bhakti is so powerful that it brings automatically Vairagya. But if there is no Vairagya, where is Bhakti? Understand it? Yes. It does not depend that you have to practice Vairagya separately. But if you are actually Bhakta, then Vairagya is there. If there is no Vairagya, there is no Bhakti. It is Sahaja.
In other words, Vairagya is a byproduct of Bhakti.
Yes. That is stated, Kichit Kivalaya Bhaktya Vasudeva Parada. Abhang Dhundanti Kasmina Niharamigo. Vairagya is to be practiced, but Bhakti is so strong. Kichit Kivalaya Bhaktya, simply by Bhakti, Vasudeva Parada. Vairagya immediately comes. Abhang Dhundanti Kasmina Niharamigo. If actually one is pure Bhakta, then everything material face. That is real work. Now I have got some bhakti and some material desire also. That is not bhakti. That is more kultura. But that does not mean that I shall stop bhakti. No. You take bhakti to the principle, to the regulative principle, then automatically Vairagya. The Vairagya is not coming, that means you have not been pure Bhakta. That is adulteration. Navilasita Sunnam, that is Bhakti. And because there is not Navilasita Sunnam, it is adulteration.
Bhakti Avyavichari. Bhakti Avyavichari.
Abhyavichari, yes. Mant Abhyavichari Bhakti Yogi Najar Sevate. Abhyavichari. Saguna Samadikta Brahma Guna. He is above Sri Guna. So if I am still under the modes of material nature, that means I am not in Abhyavichari. This is the warning. Therefore Lord Buddha rejected Vedas.
Because sir, in the name of Vedas, people were misbehaving.
Vedas, when Lord Buddha wanted, stop animal killing. These rascals came with Vedas. Vedas is sacrifice, animal killing. So he thought that these rascals will create botheration by bringing Vedas. There is people, I don't care. वेद मानिए वेद ना मानिए बुद्ध होइल नास्तिक वेदाश्रय नास्तिक का बाद बुद्ध के Similarly, these rascals are giving evidence of Rupa Goswami's advice. That here is Jada Punya, but whether you have followed other things.
Vacha Vegam, all this.
Yes, Vacha Vegam, Vegan, Vegan, you are manipulated by the Udara Begum, Upastha Begum. The first instruction is Tan Beganja Vijayata Dhira. Then for him, Radha. Dhira Sattanamaya. He has got 3 dozen Sevadeshis. And living in Radha. My Guru Maharaj wanted to publish Govinda Leela. He asked permission of the Thakur. So Thakur wrote that I'll tell you something. And when he reminded, he said, yes, you can print 1 copy. He said, so much anxious to print it. Print 1 copy. We read and we see that we are printed. Not for this. So yes, printing all these books for understanding properly. Not just higher is other. No, let us jump like much. Here is actually
Even in Krishna book, Ras Leela should not be told in public.
No, why? Krishna book must be there. The book must be there.
But in
But
public,
you should go gradually. You should go gradually. You first of all understand Krishna, then Krishna Leela. If you have not understood Krishna, then you think Krishna and Ras Leela is just like being mixed with your home and that becomes a spoil. Because they do not understand Krishna. Manusanam sahasesu kachita sudisiddha. Jatadama visiddhana. Krishna understanding so easy. If you do not understand Krishna, how can you go to the Krishna's confidential activities?
some of the devotees, they said it was for liberated souls. So they said, well, we are all liberated.
Yes. Liberated for going to hell.
In your Krishna book, Srila Prabhupada,
Go to the Monday.
you've given such clear explanation, along with the stories of Krishna, that it's very difficult to misinterpret. Because you've given such clear explanation.
You read all the books of Prabhupada, then you will be able to understand.
Even theoretical understanding that Krishna is transcendental will not help unless one is drunk.
Somebody Krishna lifted the hill. The hill can become equal with Krishna.
So Baba, what about if some devotees, I know they want to come to Vrindavan
Every devotee, they must follow the rules and regulations. That's all.
and engage in practical service
Yes.
to Krishna?
Guru Mukha Padma Bhakta Chittete Koriya Arna Koriya Mane. As you take an order from Guru Maharaj that I am going to jump over Radha Kunda. Where does he go? There is he, Guru Mukha Padma Bhakta Chittete Arna Koriya. Why is he designing like that?
And there are some devotees who always want
They are not devotees. That's it. Don't say some devotee. Devotee is here. Guru Mukha Padma Bhakta Chittete Koriya Arna Koriya.
They also wear the Radha Kund motif.
No. Where they should understand. Radha Kunda. and how to deal with our interests. And Raghunath Das Goswami showed how to live in Dharma. Sankha Purvaka Namagananati Kala Vasani. Yes, Satambalati Naratamba, falling down, making a mark. That is Aratamba. Sankha Purvaka Namagananati. Not only